Ready na Timondok?
Oh.
Oh. Forward and up. Radio check forward and up.
Loud and clear, sir. Forward.
Okay. Jay, radio check, Jay. Magandang hapon, Jay. Ganun pa rin, Jay. Sa stribor ka lang, Jay. Atras lang ako, Jay. Okay, thank you. Up. Ready ka na, up?
Ready na, sir.
Okay, let go. Line up. Area todo po pa.
Area todo.
Troa, birahin line, Troa. Alalay lang, dandan.
Okay, sir. Alalay lang kina bro.
Oh, easy lang. Tapos permit spring. Oh, good. Sa lahat, mga follower, viewer, alis na naman tayo. Tapos na pala kami. Lashing, discharging, loading, alis naman kami. Tapos yung hangin natin pa dito. Quarter si starboard, kaya buka tayo. Tapos palutay pala. At yung current, bali, puntang labas. Tulak tayo palabas. Okay, bingin. Abiso, propeller clear.
Propellers clear. All line on deck up.
Okay, copy up. Tapos monitor mo lang yung pro, yung distansya mo sa bulbos. Abiso pag malapit na mag-kiss.
Roger, sir.
Okay.
3 meters, sir.
Okay, 3 meters. Yan, biralan natin yung yung headline tapos perme yung spring line. Kaya bubuka mo yan siya. Pwede naman i-perme natin spring line, kick ahead, pero dahan-dahan lang natin. Malakas kasi yung makina nito. Okay, 2 meters. Thank you. Malakas yung makina, mabilis ba? Hindi natin makontrol. Maganda lang yung lubid, dahan-dahan lang. Tapos atras tayo, monitor na 3 knots, dahan-dahan. Tapos focus lang 90 degree.
1 meter, sir.
Okay, 1 meter. Thank you. Tapos i-hard starboard natin yung rudder para hindi malakas yung swing sa port side kasi right-handed kasi ito. Hard starboard rudder.
Half meter, sir.
Okay, half meter. Thank you. Okay, forward. Let go line forward. Area todo pro. Area na pro, area headline. Beso pwede tayo gamit makina. Okay. Okay, picking up headline. Yan, pag libre na, atras na tayo niyan. Bilisan lang natin para hindi tayo mabalagbag. Area mo na yung spring line mo po pa. Pro.
Pwede na tanggalin, sir?
Area na todo, area na lahat. Atras na ako, ha.
Sige, sir. Pwede na, sir.
Okay, thank you. Dead slow astern, please. Dead slow astern, atras. Palibre lang siya sa pinder para hindi masabit.
Roger, sir.
Oo. Yan, atras na tayo.
Sir.
Oh. Monitor high speed. 1 knot. Monitor din mamaya sa breakwater ko pa. 1.6, thank you. 1.9. Lakas yung
Deck, sir. Forward.
Okay, ano yung pro?
All lines on deck, sir.
Okay, copy pro. Thank you. Let's on deck. Abay, save 3 knots.
3 knots now.
Okay, thank you. $3.2, thank you.
Langga palabas.
Stop engine. Okay, copy. Hard port.
Hard port.
Full thrust to port.
Full thrust to port.
Zero sa breakwater.
Okay, ha? 5:30. Okay. Okay, copy for Apo pa.
Hardboard na.
Okay, let's go ahead please.
Let's do it.
Yan, nabantay na tayo.
Zero.
Okay, copy. 3-0.
Zero sa breakwater dito sa fourth quarter.
Okay, 2-0. Copy, thank you. Jay, maraming salamat sa iyong pag-assist, Jay. Magandang hapon, Jay. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, stop trust. Midship brother. Okay, thank you. Steady.
Steady.
Okay, thank you. Slow ahead, please. Starboard 5. Okay, thank you. Half ahead.
Up ahead.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Breakwater forward.
Okay, forward. Midships.
PG.
Steady.
Steady.
Full ahead, please.
Full ahead.
Passing breakwater, starboard side.
Okay, copy up. Thank you. Na, ito yung breakwater na. Clear na tayo. Full ahead, tapos rang up naman tayo. Biyahe naman tayo. Salamat sa mga follower, viewer natin. Magandang hapon. Bye-bye. God bless. Pang up. Forward and up. Secure everything. Forward and up. Thank you. Dismiss.
Okay, sir. Happy forward.
Bravo.
Okay, copy up, secure everything.
Okay, thank you.